Tired of the home office monotony? Yearning for a workspace buzzing with energy and ideas? The answer might lie in the exciting world of co working spaces. These dynamic hubs are reshaping the modern work landscape, attracting freelancers, entrepreneurs, and remote workers alike. But what exactly makes them tick? Join me as we delve into the heart of co working, uncovering the secrets behind their growing popularity and exploring how they can unlock new levels of productivity and collaboration. This exploration goes beyond the trendy beanbag chairs and kombucha taps. We'll uncover the real magic of co working, the sense of community, the cross pollination of ideas, and the power of a shared work experience. Get ready to discover if co working is the missing ingredient in your work life recipe. What exactly defines a co working space? It's more than just shared desks and good Wi Fi. Co working spaces are carefully crafted ecosystems designed to foster productivity, collaboration, and a strong sense of community. Picture a space where you can choose your work style, from quiet focus zones to collaborative common areas. Imagine having access to meeting rooms, event spaces, and even on site cafes, all while being surrounded by a diverse community of like minded individuals. These spaces cater to a variety of needs, offering flexible memberships to suit different work styles and budgets. Need a desk for a day? A dedicated workspace for a month? Co working spaces provide the flexibility to scale your work environment as your needs evolve. Let's talk about productivity. One of the key benefits of co working spaces is their ability to boost focus and efficiency. Say goodbye to the distractions of home and the isolation of coffee shops. Co working spaces offer dedicated work zones, ergonomic furniture, and high internet, creating the ideal environment to power through your to do list. But it's not all about individual productivity. Co working spaces thrive on collaboration. The diverse community provides a melting pot of skills and perspectives, fostering cross industry collaboration and innovation. Need help with a coding problem? Chances are you'll find a developer willing to lend their expertise just a desk away. While productivity and collaboration are key pillars, the true heart of co working lies in its sense of community. These spaces are more than just shared offices, they're vibrant hubs where connections are forged and a sense of belonging is cultivated. Regular networking events, workshops, and social gatherings provide ample opportunities to connect with fellow coworkers on both a professional and personal level. Imagine starting your day with a casual chat over coffee with a fellow entrepreneur, or winding down with a game night after a productive day of work. These interactions go beyond superficial networking. They foster genuine connections that enrich the work experience and create a supportive environment. Think back to your most fulfilling work experiences. Did they involve a sense of camaraderie and shared purpose? Co working spaces tap into this fundamental human need for connection, creating a workplace where you feel valued, supported, and inspired by the people around you.